In this video we will show you how to map a tree with centimeter accuracy and information like type, girth and estimated height. So check this video till the end and you will be able to do exactly the same. A while ago we made a video about surveying trees. We did this in 3 different methods. If you didn't watch it, then watch it after this video. But we got a special request after someone seeing that video.
Yeah.
So let's see it.
The special request was
How to map a tree with a center point and the data number, girth, spread, height, species data.
Oh, let's do that.
With Apglos Survey Wizard.
So,
what do we need?
number 1, amount. Number 2,
X-ray!
okay, Hanno, pull it out.
Better?
Better, yeah, that feels better. Let's connect the mount to the rod, and we need, of course, a GNS receiver, and in this case we are using the Emlid RS2. I will mount it. Tip from myself: hold the GNS receiver and let the rod do its work. Otherwise it might fall down and that will be a shame. And then a third, we need a
Third, fourth, learn to count.
4,
a phone, my phone, with, of course,
the
Apglos
Survey
Wizard.
Yay!
Here we have Apglos Survey Wizard and we have to make sure of some things. First we can make a connection with this Emlid Reach RS2. So we go to the connect screen, click on connect, we select the GNS receiver and we have to fill in the N-trip data, or we can click in server because we are in the Netherlands, and then we click connect and a connection has been made with this Emlid Reach RS2. So what else we need to do is to go to the file menu and other settings, and now we have RTK.
Yes.
We have to change the antenna height. It's the rod height plus the ARP of this Emlid Reach RS2. So in total it's 2.134. Then we can click OK. Further, we want to add more data to a measured point. So we make sure that the his functionality is on and then we click OK. So now we go to make a new layer and you can do that very well.
So the first thing we do is click on Layer Manager, which is left on the side where you can see the 0. Once you are there, you press on plus, which is in the right corner next to the bin. Press on plus, and as we are going to survey a tree, and it's some oak, I don't know yet, tree. Trees are normally green. And then, as an extra, we want to add data or attributes to a layer. So at the attribute we press also plus, and we can fill in either a text, a number, a decimal number or a date. So let's use text, and then we say species. Okay, maybe another one. That should be a decimal number, and let's say girth, G-I-R-T-H, right? And then I press OK and we enter another one, which will be estimated, which is decimal number, and then I press OK, and then I again press OK, again I press OK. Lots of OKs, right? So once I select next to the layer manager, I can select a tree.
Let's map this tree. So we have to use a special function.
Yes.
First thing what we need to do is to know the diameter of the trunk of the tree. So Ray.
It is 70 centimeters.
So if the diameter is 70, what is the radius?
I don't know. What's the radius?
35 centimeters. Now we have to put the measuring tape from the tree to this way.
Yeah, it's so far away, I cannot run to
It's not a two-man's job.
Yeah, there's dog shit there.
So what we need to do is to select a special function, and that is map in extent. So what we do is we start here and we keep the rod straight, we click on this button and then we go. It was 35, so if I put it here at 2 meters and 65, then it would be 3 meters, so I click here this button and then we fill in the number 3, so we click OK, and now it starts to ask some things. So for example, we can fill in the species. So for the species we fill in oak. The girth, what's the girth? Measure the girth.
Echt.
Please measure the girth.
meters and 32 centimeters.
So we fill in 232 and click OK. And then the estimated height. Let's see how high we think it is. It's kind of high.
That's really high.
I estimate 18 meters. So I click OK and then we click OK. And here is our point that we mapped. It's the tree. So that is how you map a tree, the center of the tree, and include data like species, estimated height, girth, and of course you can add more stuff. Let's be a bit closer. But of course now it's just in Apglos Survey Wizard and you want to get it out and work with it. Then you can go to the files menu, click on save, and then you can select different file formats that use this information. For example, KML or AGP, which gives you the shape files, but also DXF. It will show you the attributes that we filled in DXF. So we can choose a folder. This time we choose PW, and then you can fill in a file name which we call oak. Then we click OK, and now the file is saved. So if you want to know more about Apglos Survey Wizard or GPS surveying, then watch this video.